finishing up the trifle. So when I make the trifle at my house, the other version, I like to test each step.
Definitely.
As we go. So I try a strawberry, I try a piece of pound cake, I test out the pudding just to make sure it's good.
And then you got to leave a little in the bowl.
A little in the bowl
to
for everybody
lick it
else
afterwards. Yes. So you're right. Every part of the trifle is really yummy, and you could, switch it up and do whatever fruit you liked or whatever, but I'm just doing strawberries and blueberries today. And we're using pound cake, but we talked about using angel food cake as well. You could use lady fingers for sure. So now it is time to layer, and you can use whatever clear glass bowl you like.
I like your trifle bowls that you have.
Yeah, my mother-in-law actually made something in this one. She made a red velvet cake one for Spiro's birthday. He loves red velvet, and so she left that at my house. I was like, oh well, I will use this today.
I need to work on my trifle bowl game. My game isn't that strong.
So whatever whatever bowl you have, and we just want to be able to see the pretty layers. So, and just depending on your bowl, you can do however many layers you want. Just depends. So just play with it. It's fun. So we're just gonna layer it up, just as easy as that, and then it's totally ready to eat. Or, of course, if you're going to eat it later, just refrigerate it until it's time to go. So all we do is just keep going.
Keep making
the
layers.
Really
and it's
simple.
So pretty. Yeah,
it's so pretty, so simple, and it is going to be a huge crowd pleaser, I promise.
Yes, my family approves and asks me to make. The kids ask me to make it all the time.
Oh,
yeah,
good.
They're big fans of it.
Good.
So you can check out this recipe and so many more at Greers.com. We were talking about getting ready for the summer. You mentioned the new store opening in Baldwin County.
Yes, our new Robertsdale store. We're going to have our grand opening at the end of June. So we're working on the store right now, and then once we come into June, then we get to July, which of course July 4th is huge, and we also celebrate our anniversary in July.
That's
so
right.
Our birthday, we always celebrate our birthday, and
you always throw down for your birthday.
We do. So we're going to be 102 this year.
Throw down with those savings.
That's exactly. You and Joe are just
on a roll
today.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Luckily, you can throw down with savings all year long, every single day at Greer's. Always given the best prices, the lowest prices that you can get every day.
Joe and I haven't hosted a show together since last week, so this is our first day back together, so you always know it's going to be a good one.
Always fun to be here.
Well, we're going to put this recipe online, foxntv.com. Again, the trifle is a big hit. Your family is going to love it, so go ahead and make sure you print this out. Lucy, great to see you, my friend.
Thank you.
You have told me next week, just to give everybody a little hint about what's coming, a crawfish dip next week?
Yes, a hot crawfish dip. So everybody's doing crawfish boils, and crawfish is pretty popular, so we're going to do a dip.
Yes, sign me up. All right, Joe, or commercial. We'll be right back.